A world economy task shape. Here is a corn law. Now, what is corn law? Corn law is made in Europe, mainly in Britain, uh, just for self-sufficiency, self-sufficiency for food matter. So Europeans and Britishers were making a rule that they were not take any food grains from other nations. They were take only their food. And however, if any type of food come from another nation to Europe, then a heavy tax duty they have to be paid, so by which prices of the food grade become so much higher, which food were uh, taken from another nations. So it is a corn law. But by the corn law, at that time, food were heavily demanded in Europe, so they need to take food crops from other nations. Second one is that mostly parts of the Europe were not were proper for cultivation, as the reason it was industrializing at that time. So many part of the agricultural area were transferred into a industrial area. And the market value of food was so much increases, so the food prices were heavily increases, so they were opposing this corn law to import food grains from other nations. So by cancellation of corn law, food grains were imported from different nations to Europe, as by which there were price of food become fallen down, and the consumptions of the food become rose. Britain food and food materials were roasted in Britain. In Eastern Europe, Russia, America, Australia, land were cleared and food protections expanded to meet the British demand, because British was industrialized area and there were population were too much roast at this time, so food were also demanded for the population at that time. So they increases the cultivative area in different nation in their colonial nations. Railways were also needed to link the agricultural region to the ports, as to transfer the food from long distance to one nation to another nation. So expanded of ships and new cargoes were also developed at that time. America was rich in resources, but there were a problem that they have Europeans have not proper labors to do their work, so the migration of labors were hugely happened at that time, and also for opportunity and job purposes, the migration were happened at this time. So nearly 50 million people emerged from Europe to America and Australia in the 19th century. All over the world, from 150 millions as estimated to half left their homes, crossed oceans and vast distance over land in search of a better future.